Struggling to master IELTS reading, the right resource can make all the difference. Most books out there just give you questions and answers, but they don't explain why an answer is correct or why the other options are wrong. That's where this book comes in. With 22 years of experience in English education, I've seen firsthand what students need most: detailed explanations. That's why I've carefully crafted this book, featuring 100 unique questions, each with clear, step-by-step explanations for both correct and incorrect answers. No more guessing why you got an answer wrong. This book doesn't just test you, it teaches you. You'll understand why the correct answer is right and why the wrong ones are misleading. It's not just a practice book, it's a learning guide. Now is the perfect time to take your IELTS reading skills to the next level. Head over to my Etsy store and grab your copy of this must-have resource. Remember, with the right tools, success is within your reach. Your dreams are within reach, and this book is here to guide you every step of the way. Don't wait, order now and start your journey to IELTS success.